friends, and welcome back to my channel. And look who's joining me today for Vlogmas Day 9. We are going to be resetting the home, so a bunch of cleaning motivation on your way. He's going to be cooking and washing the dishes and probably helping out with whatever needs doing. And I'm going to take care of the bathroom, bedroom, and yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So right now he's putting away the dishes and he has a lot to wash. That's our bad for not washing the dishes regularly. We try, but yeah. So there's that. And also over here, and we're going to be cooking pork chop today. We took it out since last night for it to defrost. I was going to plant these, but at the end of the day, I think I'm just going to throw them away and try that again next time. I kind of wanted to show you guys how different we are in washing dishes. He likes to categorize or compartmentalize the dishes like this, like they're organized in a way, as you can see, before actually washing them. And I just put on the water and go. I do have an order in which I wash the dishes, but I don't organize everything this way. So before he washes the dishes, he's actually gonna put the pork chops to, well, he's cleaning them now, and then he's gonna put them to marinate with the seasoning and everything. So like that, while that's happening, he's actually cleaning the dishes. Nobody ever said doing chores was easy, but it is tiring, so try to do it with something you love. Maybe you can watch TV while you fold clothes or have on music, dance. Just, get yourself motivated and hyped up to get the task done. generally people always talk about keeping your house clean, which means like take out the trash, dust for the dust, clean your floors, etc. But it's also about like not organizing but refilling. For example, refilling the toilet paper if you have a toilet paper rack, changing out your towels if you have obviously if you use your towels every day. Some people change it every 3 days, and other people change it weekly. I change mine weekly because it's easier, especially if you're washing at home, etc., for it to have time to dry and stuff like that. So it's not only dusting and cleaning, but the things you use have to be clean as well. So this is what today's lunch looks like, courtesy of a hubby. Let's hope it tastes good, and bon appetit! Thank you for watching us until the end. I hope that the video was very motivational. And do you have anything to say, babe?
Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Do it. Do it.
See you guys next time. Bye.